as a family-owned business, how we place ourselves in our local community, with our employees, with our customers and with our suppliers is really important to us. And the term sustainability embodies how we behave today and how it can impact our future business and our employees and our suppliers, society and the environment. So it's really important that sustainability has become part of our business strategy, and everybody in the business has a part to play in sustainability in the programme that we've developed, to the point where a few years ago we asked all of you to come up with some ideas about how we can reduce our energy in the business, and we collated 100 ideas from you, so thank you for that. And we had to set up a group, the Green Pathway Group, to look at all of those ideas and work out how we could implement them. And we did implement an awful lot of those ideas right across the business, and that's made a big difference. We called it the Green Pathway Group because we didn't want to talk about having a roadmap, because that has associations with cars. So that's why it's called the Green Pathway Group. And we've been meeting every 6 weeks, and we're continuing to look at our longer term plan for energy reductions. You'll have heard the adage, what gets measured gets done. So in 2022, we decided to create a sustainability report which documents what we've been doing around all of the aspects of sustainability and also what we want to do. And it's important that we do this, so it's put on our website, and we've also created a few paper copies, not too many because of the paper, that hopefully you've seen. And it's really important that we publish what we're doing. Our customers want to know what we're doing and our stakeholders want to know what we're doing. And also it's about documenting what our commitments are for the future and what our targets are going forward with sustainability. You'll have heard me talk in the past about EcoVadis, and that's our sustainability assessment where we have to submit information online and we get awarded for that. And this year we got rewarded with a gold medal, which I'm delighted to say that everybody participated in, and it was really a great thing to happen. What this means is that EcoVadis have rated us in the top 5% of all the businesses in the last year that they've rated, and that was 130,000 businesses they've rated across 220 industries. So that's the most amazing achievement. And so thank you to everybody who's helped us get there. But there's always more we can do and that we need to do.
It is one of the most ambitious sustainability projects that we will be taking on, and it's to look at moving out of fossil fuels by 2030 and obviously reduce our greenhouse gases accordingly. So we're looking at alternate sources from steam. So we are looking at hot water heating in some of our distillation processes on the smaller stills, and then working on steam generation on site through electricity, not fossil fuels. So that's where we take over our green credentials. There's also plans on site to look at cleaning methods on site. So we also look at our water reduction, which at the moment is high, and we can again save and contribute to the sustainability of the planet by reducing our water usage.
I'm running the initial validation trials on using hot water as a heating media in the stills in a building instead of using steam from the boiler house. So this was for our overall goal of removing the boiler house from Barton Stacey and saving us from burning hundreds of thousands of litres of fuel oil every year. We proved the concept on the first trial that we can use hot water as a heating media and still achieve the desired product quality that Lionel Hitchen is well known for. The second trial has just gone into QC, so we're hoping again for another pass on that one.
The credibility that we will gain from doing it in the industry will be seen as almost pioneers, because we are moving away from what is a very energy hungry process to a leaner process, and it kind of sits in with a world-class manufacturing as well. It's all those elements come together. It's got so many benefits. 5 years will go very quickly. A 5-year plan, we will be busy. Everyone will be involved. Everybody is encouraged to get involved, because this is great for the business. This is putting us on the map for the future. When we get into the real realms of the end of the project, we'll have point of use metering on the vessels. So we'll be able to actually, instead of finance predicting the cost of manufacture, we can actually measure it and work on reducing that through process improvement. Again, world-class manufacturing.